Welcome to Stock Invest YouTube channel and this stock report for Square. The report was first published on our website February 11, 2022, but this is a more detailed version which also includes some fundamental data you need to know. In this 7 to 10 minute long video we give you the information you need to know about Square for the upcoming trading day on Monday 14th, like support and resistance levels, signals, chart analysis, price to earnings ratios, and possible trading levels. Make sure you watch the entire report so you don't miss out on some key information needed for your trading. Please remember to subscribe so we can continue to grow and give you these free videos. Make sure to hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new video. Now just sit back, relax, listen and watch the screen as we will show you some interesting data as we move along with the report. In this section you will get some information about the current Square performance to better understand where the stock is right now. In our systems, the Square stock currently holds a -3.689 score, and our system has ranked Square sell candidate since November 4, 2021. In this period the stock has had a loss of -56.41%. This is an average return of -0.82% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Square, our last headline reads, "Big movements in Square Inc. stock price on Friday, moving 10.46% between high and low." The Square Inc. stock price fell by -0.97% on the last day, Friday, February 11, 2022, from $108.94 to $107.88, and has now fallen 3 days in a row. During the day the stock fluctuated 10.46% from a day low at $106.87 to a day high of $118.04. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by -2.26% for this period. Volume has increased on the last day by 6 million shares but on falling prices. This may be an early warning and the risk will be increased slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 31 million shares are bought and sold for approximately $3.37 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $289.23, and the lowest price was $99.50. Right now the price is 62.7%, or $181.35, below 52-week high at $289.23, which also is all-time high for the stock. The Square stock trends, predictions and analyst ratings. Soon we will give you the analyst ratings for the stock, but first the trends. The stock lies the upper part of a very wide and falling trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good selling opportunity for the short-term trader as reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be expected. A breakup at the top trend line at $111.20 will firstly indicate a slower falling rate, but may be the first sign of a trend shift. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible -54.18% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -61.37% and -51.84%. The 12-month trend indicates a -27.17% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -31.98% and 61.35%. This equals a price between $73.38 and $174.07 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. On Friday, February 11, 2022, Bank of America set target to $221 to $185. On Friday, February 11, 2022, Citigroup set target to $320 to $220. On Wednesday, February 2, 2022, JP Morgan Chase & Company set target to $320 to $200. On Tuesday, January 25, 2022, Mizuho set target to $285 to $210. On Friday, January 14, 2022, Deutsche Bank Aktiengesellschaft set target to $330 to $210. From analysts, Square stock received a general strong buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the Square stock a neutral rating. In this section, we will give you some information about signals found for Square. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, February 3, 2022, and so far it has risen 6.29%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The Square Inc. stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, the long-term average holds a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, there is a general sell signal in the stock giving a more negative forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the long-term moving average at $131.99. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the short-term average at $106.45. A breakup through the long-term average will give another buy signal, while a fall below the short-term average will add another sell signal and strengthen the general signal. Volume rose on falling prices yesterday. This may be an early warning and the stock should be followed more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a buy signal. Pivots gave a buy signal 7 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 64 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal not applicable days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart holds a sell signal. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a sell signal 72 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 68 days ago. Remember to go to our page at stockinvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Square. Square Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $105.64, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This stock may move much during the day, volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $11.17 between high and low, or 10.46%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 8.13%. The stock has a beta of 2.23. This tells us that Square is 1.23 times more volatile than the market. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Square. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Square currently has a price-earning ratio of 86.21. A high price-to-earnings ratio could mean that a company's stock is overvalued, or else that investors are expecting high growth rates in the future. Next upcoming earnings report for Q4 2021 is expected to be released February 24, 2022. The consensus among the analysts are 25 cents. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Square meets first resistance at $114.04. If you do not hold Square shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Square finds first level of support at $105.64, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. Other levels you should watch based on the famous Fibonacci model are: buy at $106.66, $104.03, $99.76. Sell at $115.20, $117.84, $122.11. The average ratings, combined from several analyst sources for Square, is strong buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On February 2, 2022, Ahuja Amrita made an inside sell of 3,609 of Class A common stock. On January 31, 2022, Rothstein Sharon made an inside buy of 681 of Class A common stock. On January 3, 2022, Meeker Mary G made an inside buy of 85 of Class A common stock. On January 3, 2022, Ahuja Amrita made an inside sell of 1,925 of Class A common stock. On January 3, 2022, Gracidonia Bryan made an inside sell of 3,909 of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative at a ratio of -56.426. In total, the insiders bought 482,672 and sold 1,769,872 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, no stop loss set. Is Square stock a buy? Square Inc. holds several negative signals, and we believe that it will still perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. We, therefore, hold a negative evaluation of this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Monday, 14th, we expect Square to open up $3.05 and start trading at $110.93. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon stockinvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you have any questions and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.